Gavin, eat your monkey bread. You're like, oh no, I don't want to make my hands dirty. So you're using tongs. Good, right? Told you so. What's this? Monkey bread is yummy.
Tastes like whipped cream mixed with bread.
No, no. Listen, monkey bread's supposed to be fun. You're supposed to get sticky when you eat it. Pretty good, huh? I told you. You thought it was made out of monkeys or something, didn't you? Like, I don't want bread made out of monkeys.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a cinnamon roll, except messier. There you go.
It's good.
Oh boy, you have a lot of food in your mouth, but so.
It tastes exactly like a cinnamon roll.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? How about you don't talk until you're done eating that food in your mouth, because you have a lot in there. It's a good thing you have a big mouth.
Mhm.
Mhm.